Let's take a look and see what it'll take to do activity 1 of week 15 for design 330. We're gonna place pendant light and troffer light fixtures. And so the first step is to create the plan views and place them on a sheet. And I'll show you how to do that. And although I'll just indicate, I'm not going to demonstrate it. I'm going to show you what I did and let you take a look at it. Then we'll place that pendant troffer and the light fixtures in the lobby. And then we'll place the recessed lights in the administration. And I got a little example. The spacing is about 6 feet apart. In general, they say half the height is about how far you put them apart. I'm going a little bit farther because they're double lights. So I'm going like 1.5 times how far it should normally be. So, and it doesn't really matter too much, just so long as it looks even and it looks fairly well done. As I said before, this is going to be changed by the people that do the lighting. So let's take a look. When you open up, and we're going to do this in the same file we did last week. All of your electrical is in one file. So you can see that I've got my mechanical stuff already done over here. Okay, so not my mechanical, sorry about that. My electrical power is existing from last week. Okay, and so I'm just going to go up. I can collapse the power, and I can go up and look at lighting. And that should be in there for you already. I'll close the coordination so you can just see these. Now you'll see that there was, when you open yours, just a 1- lighting. And so I made some copies of those 1- lightings. Okay, and then I used the cropping, the same cropping that I saw down here. So I went down here and I saw how it was cropped, and I saw what my view scale was, and I reproduced that. You see, it's not exactly the same. I just redid it up here. Not exactly the same, but it's very close if you turn on the crop region. Very, very similar. And of course, I have the same view scale. Now, in visibility and graphics, often they show the electrical power distribution and the lighting. So I want you to go in there and make sure from the visibility and graphics that your electrical fixtures are turned off. We still need to see the equipment. That's the power panels. But the fixtures, which show where all the receptacles and the junction boxes and that kind of stuff, those are all turned off. And then when we come down a little bit farther, you'll see our lighting stuff is all turned on. So that's kind of your setup of getting these. Now, when you first do it, of course, you're not going to see all this stuff that I've put in there. Okay, it'll just be kind of blank. And you'll go and put that on a new sheet. And I just, made a new sheet and called it E101 Lighting Plan. You see, at this point, it'll mostly look like these 3 blank ones. And you do need to do it for all of them. Manufacturing 1, Manufacturing 2, and the admin. Okay, and just place them, and they should show up nicely when you're done. So that's what we've got here. Okay, create those views: lighting, admin 1, manufacturing 1, manufacturing 2, and that's your first step for activity 1 of creating the lighting plan for commercial build out.